Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss the next part of this lesson. First one is we also revise the Union Territories of India. We have 8 Union Territory. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Dadra Nagar and Haveli, Andaman and Diu. Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep Island, Chandigarh, Government of City of Delhi, Ladakh and Puducherry. These are the 8 Union Territories of India. And we have 28 states. Okay, and you all know about the 28 states of India. Student, today we are going to discuss the physical features of India. We have 5 physical features. First one is northern mountains, northern plains, Indian desert, the Deccan Plateau, the island groups. And that is the map of India. Means like this we have the different landforms in India. First one is the northern mountains of India, second is northern plains of India, Indian Plateau, eastern coastal plain, western coastal plain, Thar desert, that is also known as the Indian desert, right? And the Lakshadweep island and the Andaman and Nicobar islands. Means these are the different physical features of India. Physical features of India. Like us, India also have some physical features. We also have physical feature like nose, eyes, ears, forehead, shape of nose. Means these are the physical features of a human being, and like that the earth also have the different physical features. Now today we are going to discuss one by one all the physical features of India. First one is the northern mountains, the Himalayas. The northern mountain, the Himalayan range, stretches from Jammu Kashmir and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The high peaks are covered with snow throughout the year, and all these mountains are the source of many rivers. There are many hill stations like Shimla, Srinagar, Nainital, Gulmarg, Kullu. All these are located in mountain ranges of Himalaya, especially in middle Himalayas. And the Mount Everest, that is the highest peak of the world, but it is located in Nepal. It is located in Nepal. Second physical features of India is plateau. Second physical feature is plateau. Plateau is like a tableland, and the Indian Deccan Plateau is also known as the Southern Plateau. India's triangular part. Like this. Look at this. This triangular shape also shows us the Indian Plateau. And this plateau is elevated land. It slopes from western side to the eastern side. It is triangular in shape with a rocky and uneven space, and many rivers flow through this region, and they supply water for irrigation, and dams on the river produce electricity. And especially this plateau region is famous for the storehouse of minerals. This is also known as the storehouse of minerals. Okay, this region is called a plateau region. Next one is plains. The Indian northern plain is a broad, flat rolling land, and it is fertile, and hence many crops grow here, and many industries have been set up in this plains. It is thickly populated. Many holy places like Haridwar, Mathura, Allahabad, Prayag, Varanasi, they all are located in the northern plain of India, and this northern plain is also thickly populated, and many rivers that rise in Himalayas flow through these plains. For example, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the two main rivers of this northern plain. Next one is the Indian desert. The Indian desert, that is known as the Thar desert. The name of this desert is known as Thar desert. It is barren and sandy land, but only the plants like cactus and thorny bushes grow here, and this region receive very little rainfall. There is a scanty rainfall, and the desert has hills of sand, like these are called sand dunes. These are the hills of desert, and the days are hot, but the nights are cool in the desert. Why the nights are cool? Because these sand easily cool down in the evening and especially in the nights. Okay, but during the day there is a temperature above 40 degrees Celsius. And one of the most important animal of the desert is sheep, and it is also known as the sheep of the desert because it can carry loads through the desert with the help of its padded feet. Camels can remain without water for a long time. Next one is the coastal plains. These are the coastal plain. These are the coastal plain. India has a fairly long coastline. The land near the coast is known as, what is a coast? Coast means the land which nearer to the sea. Yeah, where the land meet with the sea, that is called coast. And these regions are known as coastal plain. We have two types of plain, two plains. One is western coastal plain and another one is eastern coastal plain. And eastern coastal plain lie to the west and east of the Indian peninsula. What is the meaning of peninsula? Peninsula means an area which is surrounded by water from only three sides. Okay, and the western coastal plain are narrow, but the eastern coastal plains are broader. Many rivers like Mahanadi and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. Look at the coastal plains. Look at here. These are the western coastal plain. Okay, west of India. These are called western coastal plain, and these are called eastern coastal plain. And the coastal plain have many seaports where the ships are loaded and unloaded here. And these ports are like Kandla, that is in Gujarat, Marmagaon, that is in Goa, Cochin, that is in Kerala, Tuticorin, that is in Tamil Nadu, and Haldia port, that is in West Bengal. Means that region are famous for its ports. Okay. Next one are islands. Island means these are the different features. For example, this region is called island, right? And India have two types of island, two islands. One is Andaman Islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and another one is Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Islands, okay. Lakshadweep Island are in the southwest of India and they are close to the mainland. And Lakshadweep Island are small and flat. They are only 36 in number. Only 10 islands are big enough for people to live on them and earn their living, right? And Andaman and Nicobar Islands are grouped about 300 islands. Only a few islands them are inhabited by the people. Okay, these are the physical features of India. So student, you all learn all these physical features. Okay, goodbye.